Hi everyone, welcome to Vegan Vision. Did you know most humans can't digest milk and the dairy industry knows it? Most adults cannot digest lactose, the sugar in milk. Roughly 68% of the global population experiences some level of lactose malabsorption after weaning. This is not an anomaly, this is the norm. The production of lactase, the enzyme that breaks down lactose, typically declines after childhood in mammals, including humans. The ability to digest milk in adulthood is the result of a genetic mutation. Lactase persistence, the ability to digest lactose in adulthood, evolved in some human populations around 7,500 till 10,000 years ago. This is one of the clearest examples of recent human evolution driven by cultural dietary changes. Lactose intolerance remains extremely common in Asia, Africa, and South America. Lactose intolerance rates exceed 90% in East Asia, 65 till 85% in Africa, and are also high in parts of South America. This suggests that the majority of the global population is not genetically adapted to consume dairy. Despite this, the dairy industry continues to push milk into regions with high intolerance. New Zealand, the large global exporter of dairy products, is increasingly targeting Asia markets, including China and Southeast Asia, despite these regions' high prevalence of lactose intolerance. The strategy includes aggressive marketing and positioning of dairy as a status symbol or health product, despite the psychological mismatch. The motive is primarily economic. Protection profits from declining demands in Western markets. In Western countries, dairy consumption is declining, while plant-based alternatives are rapidly gaining ground. From 2021 till 2023, plant-based milks grew over 20% globally, while dairy milk consumption remained flat or declined in major markets like the US and the UK. Plant-based milks are not only easier to digest, but also scientifically better for the environment. Producing cow's milk results in 3 times more greenhouse gas emissions and uses 10 times more land than oat, soy, or almond milk. The environmental burden of dairy is well documented and scientifically higher than that of plant-based options. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is the dairy industry expansion into lactose-intolerant regions isn't about health. It's about preserving a profit model that is increasingly unsustainable and misaligned with global health realities. The truth is clear. Most people can't digest dairy. It's not necessary and it's not sustainable. Yet billions are spent convincing us otherwise by these marketing giants. This is just to fill their pockets with more of our money. They know that dairy makes us sick, but they don't care. The only thing they care about is making more money. If you like this content, please subscribe and give a thumbs up or down so I can adjust my content. I'm Christian from Vegan Vision. Thanks for watching.